honeys. How's your day going so far? Mine is going fine. Me and Walter just got back from the place to get the car fixed. We were there for about 4 or 5 hours. And then we went to Bandana's barbecue. So I'm going to pack up this Poshmark coat that somebody bought a couple days ago. So this is what it looks like. Brand new from Lane Bryant. Called a Packable puffer. Cinched at each side. Has zipper pockets. Has 2 zipper pulls at the front. Has a hood with a drawstring. Drawstring on each side. I have the Packable puffer bag. I think I'm going to pack it, roll it up as small as possible and put it in this bag. And it has the tags, so it's brand new. Packable puffer. And this is in the size 18-20 from Lane Bryant. That's how the back looks. And I also have a maroon one, just like it. If you're interested in finding more out about Poshmark, well, anyway, Poshmark is an app you can download. It's free. And that's where you can buy or sell gently used or brand new items. Yeah, I'm going to put this in the bag. I have a Packable puffer that I usually wear. Like if I leave here to go to LA to visit my daughter, if I leave here in the wintertime, I have to wear a coat. So I do a Packable puffer. Pack it up when I get to the airport there. So I don't have to lug around a big old bulky coat. So I'm floating this up. I'm stuffing it. I didn't zip it up. We're gonna see. This reminds me of those inflatable beds that, you know, when you get through deflating them, you have to roll it up tight and put it back in the storage bag. That'll fit in here. I also have a big heavy coat to sell in Poshmark. It's much like the one I've been wearing every day. I have a red one. The one I'm selling is black. It's brand new. Okay, I'm gonna get it in this bag because I'm taking too long. And I'll be back. Okay, I'm back. It's in here, y'all. It's a big old heavy Packable puffer coat up in here. Okay, so I'm gonna wrap this in some blue tissue paper. Like I try to package up everything as nicely as I can. Like I said, it's brand new. Never been worn at all. Then I'm going to put this in a plastic bag. Then I'm going to put it in a plastic mailing bag. tape on this bad boy. I don't want it to look messy. If you decide to get your own Poshmark closet, then please use my code MzBrazell. Everything in caps. And right now, with your first sale, we can both get a $10 credit added to our account. So that's MzBrazell, all caps. Sometimes it's $5 what they'll give you, but right now it's $10. Okay. Okay, that's the best I can do with that. I'll put this card on here, thanking them. Thanks for shopping MzBrazell's closet. I owe you big time. I strive for 5 stars. Okay. It's like a little personal touch. Now, this is where the plastic bag comes in. I had a pink bag and I had some green paper. I said, they probably think this woman is tacky as I don't know what, using all these colors. So, I protect the product in case the outer package gets torn or something. Now I'm going to put it in this mailer. I got this from Amazon. It's a big old mailing bag. It's heavy. I'll probably fold it over. That's even more protection. Let's see what I'm doing. So it's blue on blue on blue. Well, this is like a turquoise. Okay. Straighten this up and fold this over. Tape it. Okay. This has a strip that I can fold over and seal it with. Or I need to cut it or tear it right here. I need to cut it. Let me go get some scissors. Okay, just cut a little slit here. Could cut that away, but I am just gonna fold it under. gonna pull this strip away. Stretching it and I'm taping it. I think I'll do some extra taping so I don't so nothing get caught on the post office machine. Yeah, that's some heavy duty tape. I'm just oops. It looks kind of messy, but as long as it gets to them in good condition, I'm happy. Take anything else down. Yeah. It's as good as she gets, y'all. Okay, I already printed out the mailing label. You need a printer. And I folded it up and put it in this mailer. So this has glue on the back. So I just have to peel this white paper off. I'm peeling that off. I'm gonna put it here. And cover up some of that messiness. And don't pull the paper off all at one time. Okay. And then I'll fold this back and pull that little sliver off. So it's sealed. So this is ready to be taken to the post office, and it's postage paid. As long as it's 5 pounds or less. So I know this is under 4 pounds, so it won't be a problem. And they just raised their shipping rates to $7.45 for anything 5 pounds or less. So that's something new. I ain't too happy about that, but they said the post office raised their prices. So this is my packaged up Poshmark item. And would you believe it's a full-grown coat up in here. So I want to thank you all for watching. Give me a thumbs up. Leave a nice comment and subscribe to my channel. And you all have a very blessed rest of the day. Okay, bye.